Hello, guys. Welcome to Will You Press the Button? Oops. Before we get started, you know my routine about the ads. So let me pause you real quick and we'll be back in just a second. Okay, we're back. Alright, so the question is you get $1 million, but you have to murder two puppies with your bare hands. I wouldn't. Where's for $1 million? That's a close call. Nah, I wouldn't. I will not. I'm more a cat person, anyways. Is this a job application? Wait, 46 years ago. Oh man, that's a long time. Oh, there's so many ads. Oh well. So you get $1 million. So what was the percentage? 42 people press this button. Okay, okay, I did good. Rate this. Then I'm ready to see the next one. Alright, you will be able to enjoy life to its fullest, but you have to leave 4 Reddit, Tumblr, Twitter. I don't even know what these are, so yes. I think they're social media. I'm not a big fan of that. So good. Yeah. Well, that was pretty good. Let's see. Also, let's see. You control the world in your office in space. Stupid ads. Ads cover the page. Alright, done. So let's see. You control the world in an office in space with the power to see anything going on in Earth. You may never leave the office ever again. You have the power to see, but you don't have the power to get anything, huh? Well, you can control the world. That means you could have them send you food. Huh. Based on technology, yeah, I'd say yes. I say yes. I will press it. And people only, wow, 38%. I guess they didn't really think that much. Guess I'll just have to make myself a huge. I'm not gonna say that. Alright. You get unlimited money and can eat without ever getting fat. You have to listen to Justin Bieber every time you eat. I say worth. I say worth. Don't you guys think? Alright, let's go. Let's see how many people pressed it. 69% pressed the button. 31 did not. Step 1. Get a tape recorder. Step 2. Record yourself saying Justin Bieber. Step 3. You can now listen. You, Justin Bieber. Step 4. Question mark. Step 5. Profit. I'm confused. If you think Justin Bieber as Justin Bieber, the lesbian and psycho, he is more terrible. Okay, I guess that was pretty good. You have 100% in every class. You can't have friends. For the rest of your life or just for the class? Like, they didn't specify. I will not. It kind of says bad because it's not really specified as much. But if yeah, I wouldn't. You get to live in the world of Harry Potter. All right, no, I don't even need the butt. I don't even need the butt. I will not press it. Bad, bad, just because it's Harry Potter. Harry Potter. I don't read the books. I don't know anything about it. Oh, I know you're a wizard, Harry. That's all I know. Ability to understand, read, and write any language of your choice. You will never be able to speak in another language other than your first language ever. To understand, read, and write language of your choice. My handwriting is horrible, so wait, read and write language of your choice. You can only read and write it. You can't understand it, huh? So I will not. What's really the purpose? I'm not gonna read a book. Alright. Would you still be able to say taco? Man, these are so long ago. It says 46 years. Good. Alright, so let's see. Spend one summer doing anything you want with no repercussions. You will die after. No. No. Who would do that? Alright, that was bad. Bad. 29% people did press it? You will be able to travel between different worlds of movies, video games, and cartoons. You will be hunted down by the government for the rest of your life and will always be in danger of their weapons. Well, I can get stuff out of the movies, so yes, it's worth. And the government can't come in. The government can't. What government? Last time I checked, the government destroyed after we entered suburb 3. I'm just gonna switch between all my fandom worlds and never come back to the real world. That's pretty much all you have to do. That was a pretty good one. Alright, you have become the world's greatest DJ. You have to live in your grandmother's basement. I don't know how that'll work because of my grandma. Grandmother means grandma. Yeah, my grandma doesn't have a basement. So so that means I'll be underground. So no, I will not. I'll pretty much be buried. Kind of bad because it's not specified enough. Grandma's dead, so not the best living condition. You have all the powers of a vampire. You can't stand the sun, and you are afraid of the night. What the? What the? I will not. What's the point of being a vampire? You're afraid of the night? Bad. That's bad. Immortality, guys. Get a lamp. I stay inside all the time anyway. Wow. That's stupid. That's just weird. Alright. You get to live forever. You have to spend it a commenting crime. I don't know what that is. I will not. I'm not really sure what that is. So, download free iTunes songs. Well, let's take a look at some of the comments. Yes, I'll just step inside. Ooh, 48 did not. So, I don't get it. I'm just gonna put bad. Alright, so let's see. You will become an extremely attractive girl. No guys will find you attractive. What's the point? What's the point? Just for the girls to find you attractive or something? Alright. I'm a lesbian, so I don't even care. Who says I'll be trying?